Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Welcome back to our channel, and today we are trying out the
Pepper Lunch. Some subscriber tell us to go there, so we're gonna try it tonight.
Yes, it's in Pattaya Terminal 21. So let's try out, guys. Okay, so I took the beef pepper rice. That's 187 baht. Plus, we complete our meal with a combo set B. So we will have a drink and 2 side dish for 85 baht more. Now you.
For me, I took the jumbo pork pepper rice. I will put an egg on top.
An egg.
And I'm gonna take the same as you, the set B with mashed potatoes. And I don't know what's gonna be for dessert. I think it's chocolate ice cream. Yep. Cheers.
Look guys, that's a honey brown sauce. I never saw it. Smells really good.
Yep. Kapung kap. Okay. Kapung kap.
Okay guys, so
I don't
here
know
we
what
go.
to
I don't know if
say.
you guys can see it. Look guys. Okay, so it's really hot. And I think we need to mix it up.
I don't know.
You guys never went here. Oh my god, it's burned. I have it in my face.
Okay.
Oh, my egg is too much. It's too hot. So I never did that,
Yeah.
okay?
It's like a race.
Yeah. We look so stupid.
Yeah, sure, but
So it's just gonna keep burning. And my egg, like, is really too much cook.
maybe we should take the lesson about how this restaurant works. I don't know.
Yeah, you should, like, show us a little bit.
Ah, now it's better.
For me, I always make my stuff. Don't ask, I always make my stuff, guys.
Yeah, but it's good. Okay.
So we showed you how much it was in total. And now we're gonna taste test. You wanna try your potatoes first?
Yeah, that's what I want to taste first. Cheers.
It's so hot.
It's so hot. It's good, but
It's not like the KFC potatoes.
no. The KFC potato was amazing. It's good, but it's not.
It's very different.
No.
The sauce. I cannot say, but it's good. But it's not the potato are like dry a little bit.
Yeah. The potato is
fresh.
dry, but
Not fresh. I'm gonna try the soup that I'm sure Joe won't like, guys. So that's why. Oh, no, it's fish.
and it's tofu.
He won't like it. Joe won't like it, so I'm not gonna let him try it. It's a fish soup. So is it tom yum? What's it?
Miso.
Miso. I just wanted to try it. Try something new, so don't come at me. It's okay.
I think my plate is backward. This was supposed to be more
It was there.
close to me.
There too.
Yeah, but I don't know. I feel like it's not in there.
Let's push it.
No, don't do that. Now, you remember last time? You're gonna put
Let's try this now.
a video, a clip of one time she tried to cut the meat
And I pushed it. No, it was my salad.
Yeah.
No, it was my egg with the bread. It's really hot.
it's freaky hot.
How crazy it is to eat on something that is cooking right now. Literally still cooking. It's hot.
The meat is very good. I don't know for you, but the meat is amazing.
How it? So hot. So hot that I dropped my meal. Oh, thank you.
Kabunga.
Kabunga. I'm probably putting too much, but I like sauce. You want?
It's really, really good.
No?
No, I don't need sauce.
I'm gonna take 2. I know myself, and I'm gonna take all the napkins if I don't give to Joe.
Yeah, I want that closer to me. So it's really, really good. Oh, I got meat everywhere. Oh,
It's so nice. Joe got the jumbo, so that's why he has more meat than me. But it's really nice. I thought I would have like more meat. I won't lie to you guys.
yeah, me too.
I'm trying to eat more meat, but now it's a lot of carbs.
On the picture, it was
Big.
a lot of meat.
I don't know if it stops one day. Like,
It's always hot.
I know I'm gonna look dumb, so some people are gonna say, well, you don't know it. No, I never tried with a plate
The
like
first
that.
time.
It's the first time for me, okay? But it's nice experience. The meat is, my meat too is good.
The meat is amazing.
Yeah, my meat is really good.
It's really not cheap.
With the honey sauce, really good too. I'm telling you, really good.
There's so many flavor, and the rice with the pepper and the egg on top, amazing.
Oh my god, I just burned myself.
Where did you put your
Bro,
spoon?
I let my fucking spoon on the plate. I just burned my tongue. Like, right away. Nice. good. I give it a 10 out of 10, but 8.5 for the plate because it's way too hot, and I burned myself, I think, 3 times.
Okay, so she just lowered the points because she's a little bit cuckoo.
Yeah.
For me, it's a 10. I like that kind of food. I like that kind of eating experience. Yeah. The quality of food was really good. The mashed potato wasn't like wow, but it's just mashed potato.
That's why my 8.5 is kind of good because the soup wasn't wow.
Yeah. So the rice with the pepper on it, amazing. I did not try the sauce. I'm sorry.
That was so good. It's a 10 out of 10.
But the thing is, I'm not a huge sauce guy.
Yeah.
I really like the taste of the meat, the taste of the rice. So yeah, for me it's a nice 10. It's been like 3 people during the live chat who talked to me about this place. So when I see one in Terminal 21, I was like,
we need to try it. It's a very popular place. That's what they say on the internet. So we needed to try it, and we didn't wait at all for food. It was so fast. Like you just order, and they will bring it to 2 minutes after. Because you wait for it to be cooked, so it's not long.
Yeah,
it was a nice experience.
Really nice, really nice.
But it's not done.
No, we
are waiting for the ice cream.
Yeah, we're still waiting for the ice cream, and she's never done when she have food left in the plate. So after that, I think I'm gonna be really full. It was a good plate. I took the jumbo. We have to remember that the jumbo, it's I think it's 60 grams more than the normal one. Kabunga.
So, here is our ice cream. Chocolate. We will have chocolate. So it's.
Cheers.
What's it in your mind? I see your eyes. You're judging something.
It's so tiny. Like the tiny spoon with my little chocolate. It's kid. I don't know. I feel like a kid. Like the kid at the kid at the restaurant with the tiny little piece of ice cream.
You know when you go to a buffet with all the ice cream plates, and like you come back with like 20 ice cream balls in you.
I hate ice cream in a buffet.
You hate it?
It's always like they took the spoon with vanilla and mix it in the ice cream, chocolate ice cream.
Or just
so you have vanilla and banana and chocolate.
Chocolate. Because people forget to just rinse it every time. Whatever.
I hate it.
Really good, guys.
Yeah. Kabunga. It's really good.
They're a good service.
Yeah.
They're really good.
So another good place in the bank.
I recommend it.
Yeah, I recommend this. Like, anybody goes to Terminal 21. I'm sure there's a lot of other pepper lunch. This was really good.
So that was it, guys, for the video. I give it a 10 out of 10. I think Joe too.
It was amazing. Like, if you go to Terminal 21, you should try it at least once.
Yep,
it's good.
You should. So see you guys in another video.
Bye bye.